Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green dust algae. Green dust algae, often called GDA, is a common, thin green film that forms on your aquarium glass and hardscape. It's actually a fantastic natural food source, especially for tiny baby shrimp and other small grazers in your tank. We'll guide you through creating the ideal environment to cultivate this beneficial algae, ensuring a steady supply of food for your aquatic inhabitants. To encourage green dust algae, start with strong lighting. Aim for about 80 to 120 PAR for at least 12 hours each day. This intense light is crucial for its rapid development. Next, focus on nutrients. Keep your nitrate levels elevated, ideally between 10 and 25 milligrams per liter, and phosphates between 0.1 and 1 milligram per liter. These conditions provide the essential building blocks for robust algae growth. A nutrient-rich substrate, like active aquasoil, is highly beneficial as it provides a steady supply of minerals. Consider adding bacterial powder to your tank. This helps establish the biofilm that green dust algae thrives on. Also, ensure your carbon dioxide levels are around 20 to 30 milligrams per liter. While often associated with plant growth, balanced CO2 can also support a thriving algae environment when other conditions are met. To sustain your green dust algae, resist the urge to clean tank surfaces too often. Allow the film to build up naturally. Reduce the amount of competing plant mass, particularly floating plants, as they block light. Instead of frequent, large water changes, perform smaller, less disruptive ones to retain nutrients and algae spores. Consistency in these conditions will ensure a continuous and healthy supply of green dust algae for your tank's inhabitants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.